How to close your Truist Bank account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through how to close your Truist Bank account online. So now without further ado, let's get started. But before closing your account, make sure to transfer any remaining funds to another account and cancel any automatic payments and direct deposits. And with that, you can simply head to the Truist Bank website and now here, currently closing your account online may require contacting Truist customer service directly. So you can call the number on the back of your card or use the secure chat feature on the website. So here you just have to log in with your account and go to the support chat feature. And there once you are in their website. For security, you need to verify your identity by answering security questions or providing other verification details. So there, once verified, you can request to close your account and make sure to confirm that all pending transactions are cleared before finalizing. And once you do that, you'll receive confirmation from Truist once your account is officially closed. And that's it. That's how you can close your Truist Bank account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.